You know, person who are pregnant, they still continue having the period and all of these things.
That's true, but I don't think I am.
Yeah, I don't think that's it.
Yes, baby.
I don't think you are because you're too nice. Usually you always come down.
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night you guys. I am up early today for the first time since I got back from Jamaica. Time difference has been killing me. I don't wake up until after midday each day, and I don't go to bed until after 1, after 2 each morning, night. It's been a struggle to adjust back to the Euro time, and today's been the best day. Tyler, on the other hand, is better because I get him up early in the morning and he goes down a good enough time at night, so he's adjusted better than I have, because I didn't really want him to feel struggle like how I'm struggling. I can struggle long enough and fix that, but and deal with it. But Tyler, on the other hand, he adjusted better than I did. You wanna come to be with Mama?
No.
You wanna stay there?
Yes.
Okay.
Because I want my view as my tablet. Come up fix my tablet with the video recording. Like me. The video recording like me, Mama.
The bear crying like you.
Yes.
Why were you crying?
Because the video recording like this, just like me.
Yeah, but why were Tyler crying? Because you fell?
Yes.
Jen came to pick up something from me this morning, and on her way back from outside, he fell. And he was crying. Look at his face. You're better now?
No.
You're not better?
No.
Look, here's your tablet. What crying beer? I don't know what crying beer you're talking about. Go and sit over there.
Oh, the blue beer. Oh, the blue beer.
I don't know which blue beer he's talking about. Okay, you find it. You go and look for it on YouTube. Go and sit and look for it. Here. Take it. Tyler, take it please and go.
Because I'm kind of worried.
Mama don't know where it is either. Anyway, you guys, it's another day with the fam bam, and not sure what I'll be up to today, but baby's off to work. Hopefully by Monday I can start back my workout, which is the day that you guys are watching this video. Hopefully I'll be well on my way working out and getting back into the groove of things. I can't wait. I'm super excited to just get back to my routine, and then come 2 weeks my routine will change completely, because then Tyler will start school, and then when Tyler starts school, then I'll have to find a whole new routine for my day, which will be fun, which will be awesome. I'll get to work out, I'll get to take him to school in the mornings, and then I'll get to figure out my day, and I'll get to go to work and stuff like that. Anyway, you guys, with all that said, I hope you guys are having a good day. Hope you guys are staying blessed and staying love and staying away from negativity, and just surround yourself with positive energy and positive people, and just keep your head up and give thanks for everything that you have. It doesn't really matter how small it is. Give Almighty thanks, and never think that Almighty has given up on you, because He answered prayer in the perfect timing. When you think that you need it, He thinks otherwise, and He'll give it to you in the perfect timing. So never lose hope. Just enjoy your day and keep pushing. It will come through. Anyway, you guys, I love you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe if it's your first time to the Fam Bam. And yes, I am still vlogging from my phone because I don't get back my camera as yet. I still have a little wait before I get back my camera. So yeah, so catch up and stick around until you guys will be back to that yummy good Canon G7X footage. But until then, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Tyler is just here chilling. Chilly. What you doing? Fix your face. Tell the face what you're doing. Tell them. Open your mouth and speak. Use up your words. Tell them what you're doing. You're watching trucks?
No, fire truck.
Oh, you're watching fire trucks. I'm trying to hide this bright light behind me.
Fire truck.
Yeah, that's what I said. Fire truck. You're watching fire truck?
Yes.
Okay, alright. Tell the fave. See you later. You guys, I'm whipping up some breakfast real quick. And I'm on my last planting. Which means I'm going to have to try and get planting today at the supermarket. And if you guys know me, when I'm in France, what I have for breakfast almost every morning. Comment down below. Let me see if you guys know me well. Seeing that planting is already in my hand, so there you have half of what my breakfast is. What's the next thing is going to be with my planting for breakfast? Let's see how good you guys know me. And if you guess eggs, then you know me well. I have at least 2 eggs per day. At least 2. Egg is one of my go-to. So eggs it is this morning with plantains. And I think I'm gonna have a Greek yogurt. I've been trying to have Greek yogurt a lot more lately. So let's see if I'll have that. Comment down below. Also tell me what you guys are having for breakfast this morning. Whether it's a sandwich, whether it's ackee and saltfish, whether it's breadfruit, whether it's a patty. And yes, I'm not jealous because I have patty. I have patty and I have ackee and saltfish, so I won't feel jealous today, just today. But comment down below and let me know what you guys having for breakfast. Mine is going to be plantain, eggs, and a Greek yogurt. That's breakfast. Breakfast is ready. Yogurt, plantain, and eggs. Dunzo. This is what lunch looks like. Can you guys tell that I'm about to be in heaven? Patty, yes, coming straight out of my freezer to the microwave, no, to my belly. Heading to our new pool for the first time. He's excited. He can't wait to go to the pool. I don't even know how to open this pool because it's my first time going there. But let's see. We're at the new pool. We're at the new pool. Tyler was scared to go in at first, but he's slowly adjusting. I think because this pool doesn't have a baby section like where we were living before, so he was hesitant to go in it at first. But he got the hang of it and he went in. And of course, he's the only one at the pool eating. Swim lessons coming up for this little one. You guys, the struggle of vlogging with your phone is that you can't
Look! Look!
Yeah, I see it. You can Tyler get excited when you see anything Paw Patrol. Yes, come. The struggle with vlogging with your phone is that you can't put it down anywhere and catch amazing angles and amazing footage. You just have to always have it in your hand. Come. We went to the pool, but we couldn't get to catch any footage because we couldn't get to put the phone down to catch the footage that we wanted. So yeah, we had such a good time at the pool. We couldn't get to show you guys all the fun that we had at the pool. You had fun at the pool?
Yeah!
Yeah.
Hey, it's impossible!
What?
What's impossible?
Whatever it says. right. For your toast in the mornings, right?
Right.
Yeah. Open, Papa. Go. Open, Papa. Go to the supermarket during weekend shopping. Hey!
Hi guys.
Hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Tyler, where are we?
Burger King.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm surprised he says it. I believe he.
No, he
didn't
started
know.
know the sign now. You
You
guys,
know the
I
sign?
am craving fries, and no, I am not.
Pregnant.
Right.
Well,
I'm
only
just
God
craving.
knows.
I think I know
You
too.
know, person who are pregnant, they still continue having the period and all these things.
That's true, but I don't think I am.
Yeah, I don't think that's it.
Yes, baby.
I don't think you are because you're too nice. Usually you always come out. Can tell you you're pregnant.
Hilarious. I would be mean if I'm pregnant.
Oh yeah.
Hilarious.
So,
Okay guys, we're at Burger King, the entire fam. So we're getting me fries and getting Tyler food. Jeez.
Oh, this.
You guys see why we have to be careful what we say around Tyler, because he repeats everything. Anyway, you guys, the day is coming to an end, and so is the vlog for today, and we're coming on, of course, to give you the Jamaican expression for today. But first, supermarket went well. We got our usual goodies and we had fun at the pool. Sampled the new pool at the new house for the first time today without me. Don't worry, we had fun for you. Tyler had so much fun. Yeah, so we're giving you guys the Jamaican expression. You want to give them the French expression first? Okay.
this one is funny. Is back with animals. French expression for today is chien affamé ne crème pas le bâton. Simply mean hungry dog don't fear the stick. When you're hungry, nothing can stop you.
True.
Nothing can stop you. Hungry dog don't fear the stick. Chien affamé.
Wait, Tyler, let Mama go first, okay?
Okay.
Chien affamé
Ne crème pas le bâton.
ne crème. Wait, Tyler, wait. Hold a second. Wait, Ty.
Ne crème pas
Ne crème pas
le bâton.
le bâton. Come, let's say. Stop jumping. Come close to Papa.
Chien affamé
Chien affamé
ne crème pas le bâton.
ne craint pas un bâton.
Good job, Ty. Alright, you guys, the Jamaican expression for today is
No, Papa.
no take ugly make laugh. And I'm trying to give you guys some Jamaican expression that I've never heard.
Yeah.
No take ugly make laugh.
No take ugly make life.
Right, no take ugly make laugh. Simple mean do not make fun of the misfortune of others. Simple mean don't laugh at people. Be nice to others. Be kind to others. Don't laugh at the misfortune of others. No take ugly make laugh.
No take ugly make life.
Say no take ugly make laugh. Wait. Wait, stop. Tyler, no take.
That was the Jamaican expression by Tyler.
Right. It's the Jamaican expression and the French expression of today.
Yeah.
Make sure you get it.
Yeah.
Make
Make sure you get it. Tell us, say, make sure you get it. Say, make sure you get it. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new to the Fam Bam, catch up and keep up. We love you guys, Tyler, and we will see you guys
tomorrow.